We had awesome clearance drop yesterday, but before we get into that, look at this. We've got Pennies at Home Depot, the Tide Liquid Oxy, 63 ounces. Go look for them. Thank you to Miss Rhonda for sharing from Reddit. See, this whole clearance new list hitting during the half off clearance event is not normal. As you can see, these two store managers talking back and forth. Commenter who at the home office thinks dropping a 5-page clearance drop on Tuesday is a good idea during a clearance event where we are trying to sell the old crap. The TikTok and coupon folk gonna be out in force tomorrow. Godspeed, everyone. Hope those gain coupons actually work. Response, I'm actually grateful that they're dropping the list during the sale. We do not get that happen very often. I've already pulled it all and have it ready to go for tomorrow. It'll save me and Driveline time during resets, and it's less stuff to go back on the receiving room. To the receiving room. Honestly, it shouldn't matter too much regarding the coupons. Let them get it out of your store. Amen, sister. I was pretty shocked as soon as I walked into Dollar General to see the fireworks on a front end cap. I thought these can't be the sale ones. Yes, they are. So make sure you check up front even. Also, don't just be looking in the laundry aisle. Make sure you're checking all these end caps. I wasn't able to talk at the beginning of this because there were a lot of people around. So our end caps on laundry and pet food, make sure you're searching all around and keep track of what you leave behind. Yes. Now, this is also why our laundry doesn't make it very far, because even when it goes down a small amount and then during clearance goes an additional half, coupons, it's so cheap. So this is definitely the time you better be taking pictures and keeping track of your stores and what you leave behind. I did not take everything. I took pictures, left stuff behind. And I went back by that front end cap, and sure enough, our bounce dryer sheets were up there as well. This day just keeps getting better and better. Oh my gosh. Thank you to my paid members for sending this, and then shout out to Rachel on TikTok. I will go ahead and put that link down below in the description because somebody sent that. She's the one that notified. Not only are these half off, they're also buy one, get one free. Time to stock up for Halloween, or to eat them all before Halloween. I mean, not me, my roommates. Thank you so much, Melinda. She just sent dog food and cat food. I'm never gonna get out of this place. Oh my gosh, I like never get discounted dog food and cat food. I always miss it. And you know, we need it. We have the big bag of the blue limes, 11 pounds. Yep, it is like $10. Oh. And some change. Then we have the purple Iams Healthy Aging. I cannot believe they discounted dog food, cat food, and laundry all on the same day. And I want to show you the cat food I found, and also where you might be able to find these other cat foods. Okay, so like I said, I don't know if I'm ever gonna get out of here. So there's the purple Iams kitten, healthy kitten. And then there is the Purina Kitten Chow Naturals. Oh wait, Nourish. Notice the expiration date, Best by January 2025. That's actually good news. I'm going to explain later why. One of them has a coupon, one of the cat foods, but I don't think it's either of these. Okay, so then I'm going to look, and I know there's more up there of that one, so I'm deciding I'm probably going to leave those, right? Because we want to wait for them to go lower. But the cat foods, the group of the cat foods that have discounted were the ones that were, pardon the interruption, but now introducing Penny Brain. I have a Penny Brain. How did I know what cat food to look for just by seeing a couple pictures? Okay, so this whole cat food pet end cap came out towards the beginning of 2024. And I made notice of it, one, because I have animals, two, because A lot of these started going at remodels. A friend of mine, Patty, actually had a flub up where they were half off up to the remodel, but then they didn't penny. So then we talked about it. Then she went back later after they'd closed and opened back up and got a ton of it for a penny. So it was on the radar. And so I made a big deal of it to my paid members, like keep an eye on it because we had some stuff pennying. It was around Gray Dot and all that. And nothing happened. Well, now, good news. A lot of these are marked expiration, like 2025, okay? They came out in 24. They're expiring in 25, some even January. So, and they went into clearance now. I just feel like this is good news for the future. If we don't all buy it up, remember, you should always try to leave some behind unless you really, truly need it. This is the other Friskies, the bigger one that went 10% off yesterday. But again, an additional half off only because of the clearance event. And my store didn't have any. But Jewel in South Carolina scored and Miss Heather in Oklahoma scored. But whoa, Moni, old pennies, make sure you're keeping an eye out. Finally ready to go up front and I'm stupid excited. So we have 2 Clorox. They're half off. Plus there's a save $1 off 2. We have our Aveeno that actually will be free. Then we have our Gain Car Sense. This one's like 3 something maybe with the 230 off. It was also today marked down. We've got our dryer sheets, also a coupon. I mean, these prices are going to be amazing. Just putting it in my list, I feel like it showed I was saving like over $80. Okay, help me out on these. So this one, I thought this was an old clearance item, but now that I'm thinking about it more and I found more, I don't think this is an old one. I know the deodorant has been on clearance, the spray deodorant, the stick deodorant, the hair stuff, but these 2 big body washes, what do you think? The Bear Glove, I'm 50-50. And our free food alert, so you don't even have to search for this. It's just regular shelf. It's only $1, but you get $1 cash back. They are like $7.63, plus they have $1.05 off. Same with our fireworks. They've got a coupon. The big boy has a coupon. Our Downy Rinse and Refresh is 3 something, and it's got $1 coupon. It's too much. Then I have $8. If I spend $30, I get $8 for the next for P&G on this account. For some reason, it's not on my other accounts, but this one has the $8 one. So that's what we're doing with that one. And then, well, I'm putting this stuff back, but so basically I'm doing 1, 2, 3 coupon orders, and then just 1 regular. And then, of course, our dog food, our cat food, our chocolate, BOGO. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, I gotta find the UPC for that tent that somebody wanted to try to stash. Okay, I'm gonna get numbers. Let's see if I screwed this one up. Clorox bleach, only 80 cents each. Gain booster beads, $2.44. Gain fireworks, the big boy, that's $7.63, but I didn't have my coupon clipped yet. So minus what? $1.05? Aveeno, free. Car clips, 85 cents. Downy Rinse, $2.08. Our dryer sheets, only $1.51. And our flings, only $6.58. Shoot, plus the 2 Old Spice body washes with the $5 off 2 coupon. Oh, why'd my dryer sheet coupon come off before I ever made it to the register? Like, they all disappeared. Anybody else? That's $19 in coupons, $70.39 in store offers, and that's a total savings of $89.39. But it's even better, so $27.40 without tax. Minus the $1 cash back for the muffins, minus the $8 cash back for the P&G. So really, $18.40. A big thank you to Miss Rachel for sharing Brody Saves with the group yesterday. I did not know of her. TikTok, Instagram. Looks like she has a big part of the clearance, most updated, if not all of it. These are all listed cut-in. Unfortunately, I didn't have this before I shopped, so yes, I probably have missed stuff. Let's run through some. My store didn't have everything. Downy, infusions, lavender, sheets. Now, the liquid, is that an old one or a new one? Then we've got our Arm & Hammer. We've got our Bounce. Pay attention to those. We've got our Gain sheets. We've got our Gain the medium flings, then we got the big boy fling. It's a big bottle, man. Then you got your Downy Snuggle blue sparkle beads. Then you've got your generic bleach with the coupon. I got the Clorox, my store didn't have it. Suavitel, isn't that an old one? The Gain Comfy, old or new, Tide Downy, isn't that an old one? Did you make it? Hey, comment below with how many minutes long is this video to enter the drawing.